Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Predator. In this channel, we discuss about various concepts and technologies in Salesforce. In this video series, we'll be discussing about Lightning Flows. Today, we'll discuss how to create record choice sets in Flows and how to use them. So we'll go to our Salesforce org, and in previous video, we have already created one flow where we were creating case record and we were using three fields for that. So status field, case origin and subjects. Case status and origin were mandatory fields and subject was editable. We already seen how we can create pick list choice sets, and we have already used it in these two input fields. So for status and case origin, we have already used pick list choice set. So now we'll be creating a record choice set and we'll be using it here. Okay, so we'll check where we can use it. So we'll go to a case record and we'll go to case related list. We'll check by clicking on new case. So we can see we have account over here, we have contact, right? So for account, what we'll do, we'll create a record choice set and we'll use it in this field for our flows. Okay, so we'll go to our flow builder and we'll go to manager, we'll click on new resource and we'll select resource type as record choice set. We'll name it as account list. Okay, and for object, we will select account as object, right? Now you can filter the account records also while fetching into this list. Okay, so you can leave it as it is or you can add filter conditions. So right now we will leave it as it is. Maybe after seeing this we can make changes and add a filter also. Okay, and sort account records, will keep it as it is only, and maximum choice number of choices means even after filtering of records, let's say we have 1,000 records and we want to display only 100 choices, so we will mention it over here as 100. Okay, next is configure each choice. Okay, so whatever list of accounts we'll be having, so each element in that list we can configure here. Okay, so we can configure the label for that particular choice. So we can have let's say name. So this account name would be visible when selecting this pick list value. Okay, and data type would be text and choice value would be account ID, because we need to connect case to our account, right? So the value should be ID only, and while displaying label, we will display it as name of the account, right? So choice value I have already selected as ID, and this thing we don't require it right now, so we'll click on done. Okay, so we have one error. Oh, filter conditions we need to specify over here. Okay, so we can specify none, get all account records over here. Okay, and now if I click on done, so we'll be able to save it, right? So we have created this record choice set. Now we'll go to our screen and here we'll create one pick list field and we'll name it as account. Data type would be text, and here for choices we'll select record choice sets. Okay, so these are pick list choice sets and we have now created record choice sets, and we'll click on done. Right now we have added into the screen. Now while creating record also, we'll add field over here for case, and here we will specify account ID and value would be record choice set, right? So this one, the screen element, will select here, right? And we'll click on done. We'll save this flow and we will debug this flow. Okay, so let's see if we are able to create case record properly or not, right? So we'll click on run and we'll select status as working, case origin as email, we'll specify subject as demo subject, and account will specify this account. So see, we can get the list of accounts here, right? So whatever are the list accounts present in our org, we are able to fetch it. So we'll click on next. All done. We can see debug details over here. Now we'll go to case related list and refresh this. We'll check whether case record has been created and whether the account has been uh, attached to this case record. Okay, so this is the case record we created. We'll just open it. And yeah, we can see the account is also linked to this case. Okay, so this is how you use record choice set to create or match a lookup field in Salesforce. Okay, if you have any questions, you can write it down in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.